Hello everyone. This is an English version of the stocks that we usually see every week. In the next week, what are all the stocks that are giving high yield dividends? High yield in the sense we'll list all the stocks, but we'll see the trend of a few stocks that at least they are giving more than 1% or something in dividend yield. Dividend yield is calculated based on the current market price. The time that I did this video was 31st July. So based on that date, what is actually the dividend yield for the specific stocks? So based on that, we have got around, this is only for the stocks that are having the dividend ex-date between 8th to 14th August. So before we get into the video, if you like our videos, please like, share and then subscribe. We have also started a Facebook page, so if you want to support us, you can go and follow there also. There is a premium membership that is available. In that membership, you will get a badge and you will get our videos one day in advance. So please subscribe to our channel. Let's get into the video. First company is GPT Infra Projects Limited. GPT Infra Projects Limited is having an ex-dividend date on 13th August, giving a dividend of 1 rupee 50 paise. The current market price is 26 rupees 20 paise. So basically the dividend yield is going to be 5.73% based on this price. So if you see the 1 month trend of this stock, it has started around 27 rupees 85 paise and now it is at 28.80. So basically it is almost the same. It hasn't either increased or decreased much, but in the middle it has decreased, but it has increased back. In a 6 month trend, if you see, it was around 38 rupees during February and then it has gone down and then it came up again. If you see a 1 year trend, it was like a sideways trend. It was around 39 on August with 2019 and February. Till February it was maintaining the same. Then during March it went down due to the current situation maybe. Then it started bouncing back. If you see the 5 year trend, it was actually on a bullish trend till around Jan 2018. From Jan 2018 it seems to be on a bearish trend and it is going down actually now when we see. The next stock we are going to see is Anjani Portland Cement Limited. They have the ex-dividend date on 13th August 2020 and then the dividend is going to be 5 rupees. Current market price is 143 rupees. For that, the dividend yield comes around 3.5%. See the 1 month trend of this stock, it was around 136 rupees on July 7th. But now if you see in August, it has gone up to 141. So it is almost the same, but considering its total price, it's a little bit, it has increased in price. If you see the 6 months trend, it was around 162, went down and then it is around gaining back. And then even 1 year trend, if you see, it was on a sideways trend from actually on August 2019. It seemed to be on a sideways trend. It went down maybe due to the current situation and then it started gaining back its value. If you see a 5 years trend, it was actually from February 2016. It seems to be on a little bit of a bullish trend. Then it came down, started coming down, and now it looks like it was on a sideways trend for some time. Now it is actually trying to correct back or something. The next stock is Ponni Sugars. It is an Erode based company. Ponni Sugars Erode Limited. It is having an ex-dividend date on 11th August 2020. Dividend is 4 rupees. The current market price is 152 rupees. So the dividend yield is coming around 2.63%. If you see the 1 month trend, a month back it was around 153, but now it started gaining back its value and it is going up 177 rupees. If you see 6 months trend, it was actually on 153 and then now it is a little bit up than that. 1 year trend, if you see, it was down, but it started going up, but it is unable to sustain that level and it is almost in a sideways trend. And in a 5 years trend, it was actually at the peak during July around 2016. Then it came down and it is unable to get to that level back. The next company is Universal Cables Limited. It is having an ex-dividend date on 10th August 2020 and it is giving a dividend of rupees 2. Current market price is 107, so the dividend yield comes around 1.85%. So if you see the 1 month trend, it was almost on the same level, 121 rupees. Now it is also 122 rupees. 6 months trend, if you see, it was around 167, but it came down now. 1 year trend, if you are seeing, it was on a sideways trend for some time and then it came down. Now it is trying to regain back some of its value. You see 5 years trend, it was on a bullish trend till it was at a peak around 2018. Then it started coming back. The next company is Vindhya Telelinks Limited. The ex-date is 10th August 2020. The dividend is around 10 rupees. Current market price is 650 rupees and the dividend yield is 1.53%. 1 month back, the stock was around 723. But now it is, it has come down to around 700 rupees. 6 months back, it was around 800 to 885 to 900 rupees around, and then it came down. Then it came down to 400 rupees during March. Then it has gained back some of its value. Now, if you see the 1 year trend, 1 year before it was around in a sideways trend from August to till even this February. Then it started coming down due to the situation. Then it started gaining back its value a little bit. The next company is Bajaj Steel Industries. It is having it has the ex-dividend date on 13th August 2020. The dividend is 2 rupees. Current market price is 132 rupees. So the dividend yield comes around 1.51%. We can see like it was around 100 rupees a month back. Now it has started to gain back its value and came up to 153 rupees. Now 6 months back it was around 143. It went down and it has regained its value in 6 months. 1 year trend, if you see, it was around now it has regained the back when it was at the peak around 7 February 2020. It was around 145. Now it went down and regained its value. If you see the 5 years trend, it was around the peak was around 208 rupees all time high. So it was around 2018. Now it has regained almost some of its value and it is now at 153 rupees. The next stock we are seeing is Natural Capsules Limited. It is having an ex-dividend date on 12th August 2020. The dividend is 60 paise. The current market price is 46 rupees 30 paise. So the dividend yield is 1.3%. With the next stock Nucleus, we'll stop checking the trend and then I'll just read out the names because it is the dividend yield is around the dividend yield will go below 1%. If you see the 1 month trend of this stock, it was around 47 rupees and it is around the same now also. 6 month trend, if you see, it was around 57 rupees. Now it has come down 48 rupees. You see the 1 year trend, it was almost around, looks like it is not having much of volume. It is almost around in a sideways trend for the past 1 year. If you see the 5 years trend also, it is not much of a very deviating trend. It was around 159, then it came down. Now it was around 122 rupees and it came down to 48 rupees now. The last stock we'll see for the trend is Nucleus Software Exports Limited. The ex-dividend date is 11th August 2020. The dividend is 3 rupees and the current market price is 299 rupees. So the dividend yield will be around 1%. If you see the 1 month trend of this stock, it was around 275 rupees 1 month back. Now it went up to 339. 6 months back it was around 305. It went down and it regained its value. 1 year before also it was around 208 rupees. It was around the same range up to February 2020. It went down in March up to it almost lost 50% of its value and regained it back now. 5 years trend, if you see, the highest was around 2017, end of 2017, 564 rupees. Then it started going down and it went to the low of 178. Now it is trying to regain its value and it went up to 339 rupees. Now the rest of the stocks, if you see, they are having less than 1% of the dividend yield. So I'll just show you the company names and then I'll read out them. Century Textile Industries Limited is having a dividend of 3 rupees. Maruti Suzuki is giving dividend of 60 rupees. Birla Soft 1 rupee. Oriental Carbon and Chemical 6 rupees. Asiana Housing Limited 30 paise. Agrotech Foods is giving around 3 rupees. TTK Prestige is giving around 20 rupees dividend. Dabur India is giving 1 rupee 60 paise. Honeywell Automation is giving 75 rupees. Automotive Axles Limited is giving 80 paise. Alchem Laboratories is giving 3 rupees dividend. So if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. Also please support us by going to the Facebook page and follow us there. We are not SEBI approved investment advisor or research analyst. So please do your research before investing anything. Don't take this video alone as a recommendation. Thanks.